Hello students, today we are going to discuss the difference between the RISC and CISC. What is the RISC and CISC? We have already seen the definition in the previous video. So let's see what is the basic difference between the RISC and CISC. The foremost basic difference of the RISC and CISC is their full form. RISC stands for the reduced instruction set of computer and CISC stands for the complex instruction set of computers. Now let's see what are the other differences. RISC holds less than 100 instructions, and in the CISC a large number of instructions are stored. RISC contains a fixed instruction format, means the length of the instruction will be uniform. Let's say if one instruction is of 4 bytes, so rest of the instruction will be also of the 4 bytes. But in the case of the CISC, the instruction length may vary. It uses the simple addressing mode, but CISC uses the large variety of the addressing mode. RISC executes simple instruction taking about 1 cycle. This is, we have already discussed that the RISC works only on the simple instruction, and to execute one instruction it takes only 1 cycle, whereas the CISC, it combines the several simple instruction into the complex one, and that is why to execute the complex instruction it takes more than 1 cycle. RISC control unit is hardwired control unit. What does it mean? Basically, the hardwired control unit involves the control logic to be implemented with gates, flip-flops, decoders and other digital circuits. Whereas the CISC control unit, it is microprogrammed control unit. Microprogrammed control unit means it is implemented using programming approach. In this, the micro instructions are performed by executing a program consisting of micro instructions. So this is what the difference is. Now what can be the application? Basically, RISC is used in the portable devices just like your smartphones, tablets, and if we talk about the CISC is used in the computers. Students, here we have finished the difference between the RISC and CISC. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the memory units. So if you have any query, please do write down into the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you students for your patience.